Welcome to IBTN Business Breakfast. Today we are going to talk about the latest development in the world during this coronavirus era. For the first time, the whole world has come together to fight a common enemy as if they are fighting against an alien attacked the earth. Please stay with us. We will have a good time. The post-lockdown world has got many things to show today because the post coronavirus situation has made the world more empathetic to each other. Everyone started caring each other, everyone started concerned about each other, forgetting the wars, forgetting the trade war, forgetting the accusation. Everyone has become more of a understanding and realizing the simplicity of life, something they have been ignoring for long years. Man thought that he is everything in the world and he could surrender anything. A small virus has taught him that how simple he is and he cannot fight a war even in a microsecond. That's what the world has learned from this coronavirus situation. Let us take the governments. Many government has offered for the first time in the history the poor people's more and more welfare scheme. Free food, free ration and free other welfare activities being compelled by the news and being compelled by the international communities concerned, especially when the migrant laborers and other suffering people has got attention for the first time in the world. They have been suffering ever since, but this coronavirus has created an atmosphere that these laborers, these poor people, the deprived section has more importance and they have given more attention by the government for the first time. Secondly, the medical department, all the doctors and health workers started working round the clock. And this has made them one of the favorite living beings or humans in the world today. The health workers, the civic authorities, they have got attention, they have got respect, and they are, for the first time, they are being treated like a god. The humanity has learned to have community feeling. They lived together, they worked together to defeat the coronavirus epidemic and save the humanity from this crisis. What is the advantage? Advantage is that man has first time discovered that there is an intimacy between individuals. There is an intimacy between humans. There is an intimacy among everyone. And that feeling has created the man or converted the man today as more human than he was before the epidemic started. Secondly, except China, the whole nation has come together to fight the epidemic like we are fighting a war against aliens. The only reservation was China because everyone believed that this virus has been created artificially by China's viral laboratory. If viral laboratory has created it, it will have or it would have a military objective and its objective might have achieved very easily by now. Now the whole world started creating small industries to manufacture necessary items like mask, sanitizer and other accessories which are useful and essential for fighting this pandemic. Self-discipline is the another quality has been developed automatically in the humans or everyone in us because people has learned how to live how to live within the four walls of your home, within the limited facilities he is getting, including the food. Some people was not even getting the food properly. Water scarcity came, and the medicine shortage, and work shortage, money shortage. Everything people learn to live with, as if the world is declared a war against an alien. If this discipline will continue, humanity will thrive. The war between the humans or the countries will end. The terrorism will go down, and the humanity will reinvent a new human way of life. Secondly, everyone witnessed that the animals started staying in the different cities, coming out of the jungle. So it shows that if man will retreat, the other living beings can easily live with affection, and that quality man has to develop in himself and try to live with other living beings in an amicable and coordinated way. This will make him more human. This will make this world one of the best places to live in. Everyone learned to cooperate with the authorities. When the police halted, there was a crisis, but at the same time people were compelled to wear masks, otherwise they have been deboarded from the bus or any other things, any other vehicles. In the meantime, there are other vehicles which are stopped and checked, verified and made comply with the rule imposed by the government. This was for the favor of the citizen, and citizens have learned to live by cooperating with the authorities to fight this pandemic, because they knew that this pandemic would not be defeated unless and until they cooperate with the authorities and civic authorities, whether it is police, civic authorities, government or health workers. And curfew has become a part of human life. Everyone has learned to live within curfew. Curfew has been imposed after 7 o'clock somewhere throughout the daytime. There was no vehicle was available, and the people learned to walk to the vendor's shop, whether it is a vegetable vendor or milk vendor or any other shops. People learned to stand in the queue for the first time in Delhi or in India, because our Indians were highly indisciplined people, and they never knew that how to stand in a queue in a disciplined way and cooperate each other. That culture has been imposed, slowly cultivated among the Indian community. This is the most surprising development in India today. Secondly, when people traveled in the train and in the bus, they learned to wear the mask, they learned to maintain the distance, they learned to stand in the queue and with them maintaining the proper distance. All these they haven't learned. If these things will continue for long years, then humanity will reinvent itself and become a new human creatures, which is more human, which is more cooperative, which is more disciplined, which is more productive, and which is more developmental, and they will survive. Thank you for watching IBTN's Business Breakfast. Have a nice day.